है ही भगवान. God is omnipresent, true to formless. You reached your home at Mohanpuram, Ambanath, had proper food, lit the lamps, diyas, and also took some rest. That same night, there was some instability in your health, and you were shifted to a hospital in Ulhasnagar. Some of your devotees and family members were there with you. Next day, the morning of 9th June, in hospital, you carried a unique glow on your face with a sweet smile. Some of your devotees came to meet you after attending the morning satsang at Modi Bhavan. While interacting with them, you told that you are absolutely fine. That same day in afternoon, your health deteriorated further and you told your devotees to take you from Ulhasnagar to another hospital in Mumbai. Even at the time of adversity, you bestowed your blessings on your devotees. You blessed your devotees with three priceless vachans and made them realize that you will never leave them alone. In those three statements, you empowered your devotees to make this world beautiful and made us believe that you are with us, within our hearts, forever. Those three vachans are love everyone. I was there, I am there, I will be there. In your third promise, you gave a thumbs up and said, yes, we will surely win. Whenever we remember your last vachans, we feel like you are with us. Yes, Dima Bhagwan, we will surely make this world beautiful. With your blessings, we will become your ideal children. Yes, Dima Bhagwan, we will surely win. An ambulance was arranged to take you from Ulhasnagar to Mumbai Hospital. As soon as ambulance started, your eyes were slowly getting closed. That afternoon at 12:40 p.m., you turned formless from your true form. In spite of turning formless, there was a distinct glow of spiritual power on your face. Your face still shone from your austerity. Every disciple present there wanted to touch your feet and take blessings from you as they wanted to preserve this moment forever in their hearts. In no time, this news spread like fire. Your home was full with your devotees and relatives who came to get your darshan. The whole atmosphere was resonating with bhajans, that is, devotional songs, and Sri Sharda Shanam Satsang's mantra. Along with spiritual determination, there was sadness in everyone's face. On that day, it was raining and strong winds were blowing. It felt as if the sky is welcoming you. Whenever it rained, you always used to say that God is blessing us. Even on that day, it rained as if God was blessing you. Your devotees could not believe that their dreams of having you always in the satsang hall in your true form today were shattered and replaced by this incident where they were having the last opportunity to see your glowing face. Today, devotees were remembering every word you said in satsang on 4th June 2019, which was the last satsang you preached in your physical form, in which you had asked your devotees to permit you for leaving and blessed them with the power to withhold the truth you had brought in their lives.
वो दूर नहीं है, वो बॉडी नहीं है, वो जहाँ भी मैं देखूँ वहाँ मेरा सतगुरु है। जेड़ा करया परख तेरा साहिब में जो सामू, वो सामने ही है, वो अंदर है, वो बाहर है, वो हर जगह है, वो जड़ है, चेतन है, सब वही है, वही भगवान है, वही शक्ति है। सब पीर पैगंबर वो शक्ति धारण करके ये कपड़े पहन के आते हैं और अपने बच्चों को जगाते हैं, सुजागी संसार में देते हैं, फिर वे सुजागी कई टाइम तक चलती है। पर तेरे सुख का एक साधन सबसे बढ़कर है, जो है सतगुरु दुर्लभ प्रेम। जो प्रेम आज मिला तो कल तक भी रहता है, सदियों तक रहता है, जन्मों तक रहता है। ये प्रेम कभी डूबने वाला न प्रेम है, कभी नहीं डूबेगा ये प्रेम। एक झलक है जो सतगुरु की, एको ही झलक मेरे लखा दी मरस, सब उसके ऊपर गोरे फिटी करे छो। जैसे वो एक झलक मुझे मिली है, बस वो दिल के किसी कोने में है, उसमें तुम आबाद हो सकते हो। अजीब शक्ति है, एक जो पावर है जो विजिबल नहीं है, वो तेरे साथ रहता ही है, वो रहता ही है। गुरु का पावर भी अलग नहीं है, उसी में ही है। फिर तुम गुरु बोल, साकार बोल, निराकार बोल, भगवान बोल, कोई तेरा इष्ट देव है उसको याद करके बोल, पर पावर वो एक ही है। तभी हमने आपको उंगली दिखाई है, नाम कोई भी लीजिए, ईश्वर एक है। उस ईश्वर का पावर तेरे आसपास तेरे साथ वो चलता ही है। कहाँ से न कहाँ से तेरी भलाई करेगा, कहाँ से न कहाँ से तेरा बैलेंस करेगा। धक्का दे के भी तेरे को ठीक करता है, मलहम लगा के भी तेरे को ठीक करता है। खाली ठीक तंदुरुस्ती में नहीं करता है, रिश्तों में, नातों में, ख्यालों में, हर तरह से कुदरत पहुंच सकती है तेरे पास। पर कुदरत को तुम जानो तो सही, पहचानो तो सही। पर जब कभी टाइम मिले ना, तो ये सत्संग एक कल्प वृक्ष है। कल्प वृक्ष के नीचे बैठो तो बोलते हैं तो उसकी इच्छा पूरी हो जाती है। तो ये सत्संग जो है वो एक कल्प वृक्ष है। तो जब ये बैठता है तो तेरे इधर कई फेरे कट जाते हैं, कई 84 कट जाती है, गुरु के आगे कई 84 कट जाती है। तो इधर ही है ना, गुरु भी इधर ही है, सत्संग भी इधर ही है। जितना टाइम मिलता है उतना अटेंड करना ज़रूरी है। पर जो तेरी कोई मजबूरी है तो तुम फ़ोन पर भी सुनते हो, तो न सुनने से वो भी अच्छा है, पर अपने को जगाना ज़रूरी है। आयो लाल कयो जुगे आओ।
Yes, Dima Bhagwan ji, we all devotees will never be apart from you. We realize that in every moment you are with us. You are never away. मोहब्बत की कसम है ये, जुदा हरगिज़ न होंगे हम। मुकद्दर भी अगर चाहे, जुदा हरगिज़ न होंगे हम। I swear by love, we will never be apart. Even if destiny wants, we will never be apart. On 10th June morning, your house was filled with your relatives and devotees. You were being dressed like a goddess. Satsang meant life for you. So, before going to the cremation ground, your body was brought to the Modi Bhavan Satsang Hall in a chariot adorned with flowers. The Satsang Hall was filled with devotees, echoed with bhajans and mantra. Every devotee had your darshan in Satsang Hall. Everyone's eyes were moist today. Immense love for you was hidden in the eyes of your devotees, which was seen with their rolling tears. Around 11 o'clock from the Satsang Hall of Modi Bhavan, your devotees started walking out to take your body to the Ulhasnagar Camp 3 cremation ground. On the way at Hari Kirtan Darbar, everyone halted for some time and prayed for you. Respected authorities from many religious places and temples had your darshan and gave tribute to you. From Ambernath to Ulhasnagar crematorium, your devotees were walking with your chariot. All your devotees, young and old, men and women, reached the cremation ground to have a final glimpse of yours. Along with male devotees, even some female devotees also shouldered your bier. Fire ceremony of your body was done. Your devotees repeated the great mantra of Sri Sharda Sharanam Satsang. Hey Bhagwan, I am the form of happiness. I am the form of contentment. I am the form of calmness. I am the form of divine light. I am the form of God. I am the form of truth. I am indestructible. I am the form of purity. I am eternal. I am immortal. I can never be destroyed. I am always spiritually awake. Om. Hey Bhagwan, God is omnipresent. Today, a priceless jewel, a venerable saint, our revered Sadguru, Dima Bhagwan, merged into the five elements of Mother Nature. We believe that this ocean of spiritual knowledge in the form of your satsang CDs and Dadi Bhagwan's collection of Vanis will suffice for ages, brightening every life on earth. This whole world will be beautiful. Your spiritual knowledge will surely reach to every corner of the world, and it will give everyone a satisfied and peaceful life. Dima Bhagwan, you always said that we will make Ulhasnagar a pilgrimage, a place which is blessed with a great saint like Dima Bhagwan, a place which carries a sacred location like Sri Sharda Sharanam Satsang, and which have devotees with divine knowledge. Such a blessed city, Ulhasnagar, is definitely a pilgrimage. Dima Bhagwan, You have taken care of everyone's life. You have showered never-ending amount of love and spiritual knowledge. You understand everything about your devotees even without their speaking. You have motherly love and affection for all. If we ever fall in life, you always hold us in your lap. You are the one to teach us how to walk in our life and how to get up after falling in life. Savior of millions, our nurturer, wholehearted thanks to such a great Sadguru, Sri Dhima Bhagwan Ji. Guru is infinite. Guru's life story is infinite. To get the essence of your life, to live life as per your teachings, it is very important to understand your spiritual knowledge. Only then we can know you and understand what you are. It is not easy to soothe the storm of thousands of hearts. It is not easy to create motivation and excitement within the thousands to make the world beautiful. It is not easy to teach us both spiritual knowledge and devotion. You have a habit of loving each and everyone. You desire to sit in satsang. You don't like if someone sits silently, and you are adept at getting everyone excited. We salute your selfless love, Guruji. We, the flowers of your garden, pay obeisance to you. Hai Hi Bhagwan. God is omnipresent.
तुम दिल से याद करो तो सामने है गुरुदेव खड़े। तुमने दिल से याद किया होगा, मैं भी खड़ा हो गया, सब अच्छा होता है। निराकार साकार रूप में गुरु है ही है। अच्छा लगता है साकार रूप भी, पर निराकार रूप में है ही है। मैं कण कण वासी हर घट में बसा हूँ। कहे आत्मा मुझको परमात्मा हूँ। न कोई जगह जो जहाँ मैं नहीं हूँ। जिधर देखता हूँ उधर मैं ही मैं हूँ। मैं ही था, मैं ही हूँ, रहूँगा। मैं करता हुआ कुछ भी करता नहीं हूँ। मैं जग का हूँ दाता, कुछ धरता नहीं हूँ। मैं रचना रचा कर कुछ रचता नहीं हूँ। समदृष्टि से देखो वहाँ मैं ही मैं हूँ। मैं ही था, मैं ही हूँ, रहूँगा। मैं बचपन जवानी बुढ़ापा नहीं हूँ। मैं कटता न जलता न गलता कभी हूँ, अजर हूँ अमर हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ, मैं देखूं सबको पर दिखता नहीं हूँ, मैं ही था मैं ही हूँ, रहूंगा।
है ही भगवान, God is omnipresent.